Díreoibh, it's Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's talk about the weather. An-aimsir. 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 The weather is good. Tá an aimsir go maith. Tá an aimsir go maith. Tá an aimsir go maith. The weather is bad. Tá an aimsir go dona. Tá an aimsir go dona. Tá an aimsir go dona. Now, let's say that we have good weather, but bad weather is expected. Tá aimsir wa againn a-nish, ach tá drochaimsir geallta. Tá aimsir wa againn a-nish, ach tá drochaimsir geallta. We have good weather now, but bad weather is expected. If you'd like to learn more Irish like this, why not go and take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.